Welcome back. This morning we're headed out to go get another animal for the farm, and I hope you stick around just to see what we get. Hey, where are we at?
Eskimo Joe's. What?
I told them we were going to Eskimo. Okay, listen, we're going to go inside Eskimo Joe's. All the boys cannot talk at all.
Okay.
No talking.
Okay.
None.
Okay.
At all.
Okay.
So if you talk, what's that mean?
You get spanked?
No, it means you're a girl, because the boys can't talk.
Huh. I don't.
What?
The woman's bathroom is right here.
How did you know where it was?
I've been here before.
In the women's bathroom? Who's being mean to you?
You hear a joke?
Sure.
Okay. Captain Kirk. Why did Captain Kirk go to the girls' restroom?
Why?
Because he wanted to go where no man has ever gone before.
You scared me for a minute.
Knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana.
Banana split.
Oh! Okay.
Here's hats.
Wait, you missed that. Okay, now try it.
Here's hats.
Okay, now keep going. That's not a shirt. Hey, aren't you supposed to like look this way?
I don't know.
Look. Oh, hats. Hats.
You should get that one.
This one? Okay, this one.
Okay.
Don't you think that's cool?
Yeah. $30.
Is that cool?
Yeah. $30.
Air Force. You bought one of these for her?
Yeah.
Did she like it?
Yeah.
Are you sure she did?
Yeah.
These are, what are these? Oh, these are trucks. That's cool, huh? Is your name on here? Jack. Brandon. We're going the wrong way, bud. Isaiah. They got Isaiah. Jaden. Jason. Nathan. Justin. Kevin. Levi. Logan. Well, they should have a Curtis. They've got a Tristan, a Sebastian. What'd you get?
Got a shirt for Greg and shirts for my mom, me. Cup for my mom, me, Sean, and Savannah.
Guess what? This is not a picture. This is a video.
You're such a mean.
One what?
Saying you're a mean person? Or is mean?
Take a picture.
Do what?
You want me to take a picture of you guys?
Sure.
Okay.
It's actually on video. You can just keep it.
Are you orange or white? Say cheese.
It's not. You lied. It's not going.
No, it isn't.
Can I do it? Can me and Sean do it? Can me and Sean do it, Mom?
Oh, go for it.
Oh, she's gonna do it. They're gonna do it.
Too tall.
You're too tall. Sorry. Can't get you in the camera.
Oh, we should. You have to look up.
All right, we're back home. Let me show you what we got. Okay, we got this guy today. Yeah. Don't have a name for him. He was born, what, February 2nd, 10 weeks old. And he's Anatolian Pyrenees mix. Aren't you? Hey. Hey, buddy, come here. Well, he's not Buddy. Let's not confuse him with Buddy. Look at those eyes. Look at that. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is introduce him to Caleb outside the fence because I'm really not sure how Caleb will react to a little puppy. I do know how he will react to an older dog, and it doesn't matter how big or small the older dog is. So hopefully this one being a little puppy or a big puppy, whichever, is different. Hey. No, Caleb. Caleb, come here. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. You gotta be nice. It's a puppy. Look at this. Look. He's got puppy teeth. It's a puppy. It's a puppy. Be nice. Nope. Caleb, no. That's a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. No, good boy. This might take a minute. Caleb. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, okay, be good. Be good, be good. No. I know. No. No. This is going to take a little bit longer. This is going to take a lot longer than I thought it would. I thought since it's such a young puppy that maybe Caleb wouldn't react that way. But I know how Caleb reacts to other dogs that aren't supposed to be here. But I didn't expect this. Hey. Hey. Hey, no. Caleb, no. You've got to be good. No, get down off the fence. You've got to be good. You've got to be good. No. Hey, stop. Good boy. Yeah, I know. It's hard. I know. Hey. Good boy. Good boy. It's hard, isn't it, buddy? It's hard. Just give it time, puppy. Just give it time. He'll come around. He's a good boy. Just gonna take a look at the goats real fast while we're introducing the puppy to everybody. Yes, I know it. I know it, Caleb. I know. Now we're gonna introduce him to these two bucks, and hopefully the bucks are nicer. Is he still barking at you? Is Caleb still barking? Caleb! Come on. Come here, puppy. Come here, puppy. Having to give everybody fresh water because the ducks are nasty. Don't let him drink out of that. Make him wait for the clean water. He will if you let him. Get back. This is the duck's water, but that is just too nasty. And then the goats drink out of that. Why'd you let the duck get in your water? They don't know what to think about the dog. Hey. Come on, let's go. Good boy. You're not scared of ducks, are you? You can't be scared of ducks. No. So they're finally getting some grass starting to grow out here. So the boys should be able to go back over here in a few days. Just needed to give that grass some time to grow without anything on it. That's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. How can something be so mean to you? He's so mean to you. How can he be that way? Look at that cute face. I'll talk to him about that. I'll talk to him about it. You want a drink? Greg went to get you a drink. We were in the car for a while, weren't we, buddy? Boy, he's still looking over here at this dog. He's not happy about this at all. Here comes water. He's ready for some water. Oh yeah, he's thirsty.
Has to get up there.
Wait, let him get that first. Because he'll start drinking out of this one, and this one's... See, he wants to drink out of the ducks. That's nasty. There we go. Getting the hang of it now. Goat behind me. Got a hold of me. I'm filming a dog. Oh, wait. Goat. No. Pull me down. Goat might be coming up here to get a drink. Or he may think that we were feeding. All I know is you grabbed my shirt and pulled me backwards. Come here, Chase. How's your horn, bud? Hey, Greg, where did this wire come from? This wire. It wasn't here before.
Here one day. Came out here for 5 days. There it was.
It can't just show up.
Sure, tornado could run high winds.
From where? And why is the fence still up? Because I know we don't make good fences.
High winds could have brought it.
But this fence is still up.
Yeah.
Well, I know we don't put up good fences.
Well, we probably put up a good fence here.
No.
What do you want me to do with it?
Get it out of here. Somebody's going to get hurt on it. Golly. Send it back over. Are the goats? I guess the goats are doing that. These stunts. Are you doing that? I got to see the mom and the dad of this puppy, and they were pretty good sized dogs. The mother is probably Caleb's size, and the dad was quite a bit bigger than Caleb. So I'm hoping this dog gets pretty big, and I'm hoping that we can make it to where they can get along. I knew that we would have a problem bringing a dog up here, but I didn't realize, since he's so young, I didn't think there would be that big of a deal, but I guess there is, and it's going to take just a little bit more time than I thought it would. And he's a real sweet dog. He's right here at my feet. He's 10 weeks old. He's, I think I said, Pyrenees and Anatolian mix. His mom was Pyrenees and his dad's Anatolian. And he has been, so far, he has been with goats, bigger goats. He's been with meat goats and turkeys, cats, and of course other dogs. That goat's trying to get your attention. You don't feed him enough, he'll bite. It probably doesn't look like we need another dog right now, especially since this is our 6th dog. This is only our 2nd livestock guardian dog, so these guys serve a different purpose here. But I've got some more animals coming that you guys don't know of yet, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. And it'll take, like I said, he's 10 weeks old. It'll take a long time to get him to where he needs to be, you know, and to be fully functioning here. He's got to grow up, he's got to mature, and he's got to learn his role. So it'll take a while before he's able to do everything that we brought him up here to do. I knew exactly what kind of dog I wanted, and I was looking at the size of the parents when I chose a dog, and of course which breed was which. I wanted the male, the father, to be Anatolian and the female Pyrenees, not the other way around. I know about what size pup I wanted and what age I wanted, so I found what I wanted, so I went ahead and got it. We had to go a couple hours to get him, but that's not too bad. And hopefully the goat won't choke on my clothes. Can you see this? This is what he was doing earlier, except he was pulling me backwards when I was leaning down. I don't know why we have this buck. He is not registered. He doesn't even have a name. I wasn't sure if I was going to keep him when he was born. But he's cute, he's friendly, and he produces beautiful kids.